Well, hello my dears. I am ready to show you the next part of the porch decorating for this Christmas. And I'm kind of not sure what I think of it, so I'm interested to hear your thoughts. So the previous porch that I decorated, our kitchen porch, has a lot of red. I usually don't decorate with red at all. I don't do it in my just regular decorating in my house. It feels a little more bold than I normally want to do, and I just really like kind of soft sort of French decorating, and the red I struggle with. So I used it on my other porch, and at the time said this is probably the only place you're gonna see the red, and now I'm seeing it pop up in my dining room, and it's popping up on this porch too. So I still feel a little off with it. So tell me your thoughts in the comments below, what you think of the red, and if I should just maybe not do it next year. Okay, so as always, I take this opportunity when I redo an area of the house for seasonal decorating. This is the time that I declutter and I really deep clean the place. So I did that and pulled down all of the fall, some of it was even some spring stuff that I'd left up. And so I pulled that down, cleaned it, decided what was gonna go away, what was gonna be a giveaway. I ended up changing the wall decorations. So I put this Oh Holy Night sign up that I have made. I have a tutorial for this sign, and then I have always had it by our wood stove, but this year I'm putting it out on the porch. And I also changed out our little vintage mailbox for a red one that's super Christmassy, so cute. And then there is supposed to look like vintage goat bells. I just stuck that on the door, and then got to work on styling the bench. So I ended up going with some greens and creams, lots of textures and some layering, and added a wool blanket. Then on either side of the door I have two different chairs. I have a really cute green one that I got at a garage sale, and then a little red one that used to be in our schoolroom that I hung on to. It's built really well, and I love pulling it out for Christmas time and for 4th of July type decorating. So on those, I've got two hat boxes that I got at IKEA, and then there's a little galvanized bucket with a little frosted tree that I got at Target for $5. I got the tree at Target. And then added in a little pop of white on the red chair. This is a table runner that I got thrifting recently. I got this little garden decoration. I'm not sure if I like it that much. You guys tell me if you like it, but I ended up putting it in. You know, when you say you're not sure if you like something, that probably means you should probably pass it on. So I should take my own advice on that. But okay, and then finally on the far wall I have my gardening cabinet that I painted and keep over here. And I really love the green inside. I think it's really pretty with Christmas decorations. So I had a couple of plaid pots that I got at the thrift store, put them up there, styled some faux flowers that I got thrifting, and some books, and just kind of tried to put a little vignette on top. I put a couple pops of red inside the cabinet and then added a wreath on top. And so that's it for this porch, and I think that it might grow on me over time. As of now, I'm like kind of shocked at how much red that I used, but we'll see. So anyway, there are more tours to come, and I'm excited to show you the rest of the house as it unfolds. And I just appreciate all of your thoughts and advice on what we're doing here with decorating. And I hope you guys are enjoying getting ready for Christmas too this year. And before you head out, I do have a little tiny ebook that I put together with 10 steps on how to have a peaceful Christmas. And so I will link that for you below, just to kind of keep things from piling up, and a lot of like guilt creeps in about like which traditions we want to hang on to, and how much money should I be spending, and who should I be trying, lots of like people pleasing going on. So I put together my 10 thoughts on that. You will also get a coupon to get my holiday planner discounted. So there's a link for that in the description below. And as always, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I do post regularly, and I share my professional design advice for the DIY home life. All right, take care, and I will talk to you soon.